Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you the ways to wire money to JP Morgan Chase. So in order to wire money to JP Morgan Chase, you just have to follow the prompt. So there are different ways of wire transfer. The first thing is you can do bank to bank wire transfer or wire transfer services. So likewise, you could just go ahead and open up the jpmorganchase.com and log in into your account. When you're logged into your account, then you can go to the transfer button and then select bank to bank transfer or maybe credit card or whatever. The following prompt is very simple, or it's very usual as how you do it in any other bank account. And next you need to go ahead and select the account where you actually wish to go ahead and transfer. Then follow the prompt or enter in the information of the receiver. Next you need to move on with adding the amount of money that you're sending, review the terms and conditions and all of the information that you provided. Then you could confirm your transaction, or that's how you can wire money to JP Morgan Chase. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.